Hey, welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant. Now, DAP is the most powerful and comprehensive membership and LMS platform for WordPress. Today, I'm so excited to let you know that we have completely revamped the DAP backend interface, making it easier than ever to use it. And also, it looks amazing. I cannot wait to show you what we have done. Now, you can use DAP for everything. You can use it for your lead magnets. You can use it to deliver all kinds of products and services, online courses, challenges, your trainings, your membership. You can do it all using DAP. You can centralize all your offerings from DAP. So what I want to do today is take you to the back end, show you how easy it is to use DAP to create and launch all kinds of products and services. And also with the new AI updates we have made, it's so easy, right? Because it integrates with AI. So now you can use AI help to create your products, to create your courses. You can create the first draft. You will always have the option to update it. Let me give you a quick tour of DAP. I want to take you to the back end to introduce to you the new DAP. All right, so this is the backend of DAP. You can access it from your WordPress dashboard, and you're going to find DAP right here. And if you want to collapse the DAP menu, you can do that here. And if you want to expand it, you can just do that here. And by default, when you enter DAP, the WordPress menu will be collapsed. But if you want to expand it, you can click on this to expand the WordPress menu. So let's go ahead and collapse the WordPress one right now because we are in the DAP dashboard. This way you can completely focus on the DAP stuff. All right, so this is the DAP dashboard. And we'll look at some of these other pages right here, like the dashboard where you will find all your stats, members where you will find all your members and what products they have, and you can manage all your members from here. And orders page where you'll find all your payment orders. Setup page, one-time configuration where you can set up your global configuration. That's mainly what you do here. And the email page where you can configure your email broadcast, autoresponder emails. You can use DAP to send all your emails, but you don't have to. You can always integrate DAP with your email platform and send all your emails through your email platform. You can do that as well. Now, affiliates page, DAP comes with a built-in affiliate program, so you can use it to manage all your affiliate stuff. Member pages is like, when you run a membership site, you need a login page so your members can log in, right? You want to protect your content and you want to get people to log in to be able to access that content, right? So all those membership pages, such as an invoice page, member cancellation page, profile page, where they can update their their name, their email, their billing details, all that stuff. That's the profile page. And dashboard page, right? That's so important because you want people to be able to log into your membership site and you want to send them to the dashboard where they will find all of their products, courses, everything that they have signed up for, right? And so you can centralize everything in your dashboard, and DAP comes with a really awesome, very powerful dashboard builder that you can do here. But we'll take a look at all of these features later quickly because I want to mainly focus today on the products, right? Different types of products that you can create and launch using DAP very quickly and easily. And so that's what I want to focus on today and show you how easy it is to build and launch your products using DAP. There's just one quick thing I want to show you here. Say that you want to change the background color of this menu, right? All you have to do here is click on this icon right here. It's going to bring you to this page right here, setup config page. And here you can change the menu color, right? Default color is this, but you can switch it to this and to any color you want. And you can just switch it like that, and just like that, you have a different color theme. I just like this color. I'm just going to keep this. So let's take a look at the products interface. Now let me quickly show you how you can use DAP's course builder to create your online course. So here you can click on create a new course, and here create from scratch or use AI. Let's go ahead and use AI just so it's faster. And you don't have to use AI. It's the same builder. It's going to take you to the same builder. Doesn't matter if you use AI or not. But AI is just like a great starting point. It just creates the whole outline for you, and then you can add your own content after that. All right, so let's go ahead and use the API call. What's the course title? What is the goal of this course? How many modules and lessons you want? Let's say 3 modules and 9 lessons. Is it a paid course or a free course? Let's say it's a paid course, $40. You can select the language and click on next. It should build out the course outline for you first, and then confirm that the outline looks good, the modules and lessons look good. Right here, all right? So you have the modules and the lessons. Everything is built out for you. If you like it, select it. If you don't like it, get it to generate more modules, more lessons. This one is just the outline, no content yet, just the outline. All right, if you like the outline, go ahead and create the course. It's going to build out the course with this outline, and then you can add content. All right, you can see here, it brought you here, right? Add lesson content here. Now, each lesson is right here, right? There is add lesson content. So say that you want to add content using AI for this one. So just click on add lesson content. Done. Your first lesson is ready. Go ahead and check it out, right? This is already there. You can see your course is ready. The outline is right here on the left side. The content is right here, and you didn't have to do anything. It's already built out for you, and it looks amazing, right? And everything is all set up for you. So what you can do is say that you don't want to add content for the rest of it right now. You want to do it later. It's no problem. You can just say, I'm done. And you can always go back to DAP's course builder, edit your course that DAP has just built out for you. And then you can add lesson content in the builder, inside the builder using AI. You can still use AI inside the builder. You don't have to do it right now if you don't want to. You can add it if you want. If you don't, then just say, I'm done, next, done. Your course is ready. You can edit your course. Let's go ahead and upload an image for the course. All right, done. Next step, course structure, modules and lessons. And it's all set up by DAP for you. You don't have to do anything, right? Because we used AI to create it. Everything is done for you. This is the course template, which means all the lessons in your course is going to inherit from it. So you can decide, what you want in your course, like what do you want in the sidebar, what goes in the lesson content, anything you add to the template, right? It will be applied to all the lessons in your course. Just keep that in mind. So here you can see the progress bar goes here and the outline goes here, course outline. And what else? You see here, like the customizer is right here. If you want to adjust the template width, height, all that stuff. If you don't want to show a sidebar at all, you can completely hide it. And you can completely hide it. And also, if you want to change the sidebar position to the right, like this, you can do that too, right? So all of this is fully customizable, and the course customizer, global customizer, everything is here. And any elements that you see here that you want to drag and drop it, right? You can do it like that. And whatever you add here, because this is the course template, it will be added to all the lessons. So just keep that in mind. So what I would recommend is, like, initially don't make any changes to the template itself. If you want to change the colors, you can do that. And you can go to course customizer, you can change the colors and everything. But initially just go ahead and check it out, make sure everything looks good in the front end. And then you can come back here and update things as needed. Now let's go to the lesson builder. That's where the main action happens. So you can see here we have used AI, right? We have created 3 modules, and there are 3 lessons in each module. First lesson, we already used AI to build it out, right? We just did that. Now say that second lesson. Now you're ready to create the content for your second lesson. So click on, edit lesson. And we didn't use AI for this yet. So there is no content there yet. But you can see, as I said, in the builder, you can add it now. You can say add AI, use AI. And again, you can use ChatGPT. You can use API call to add it. And all right, you can see it's done. It added this as well. So we can go ahead and save it. The second lesson is ready as well, right? We did the first and the second lesson. Save and return. Done. 2 lessons are done. So if you want to see this, you can see here, this is the second lesson. And it's so easy now, right? Because you got your starting point. Now you can update it. You can add your video here. So let's go ahead and do that actually. So say that you want to update your first lesson and you want to add a video there. All you have to do is select the media. This is how it looks in the front end. It looks amazing, right? And it's a great starting point. AI is just a great starting point. That's how I think of it. Like, it gives you the first draft. It builds out your entire framework. And then it's much easier to update. Don't use the AI content as is, because if you do, your content is not going to stand out, right? Why should they sign up for your content that was not created by you? So use AI as a starting point, first draft. Once you get ideas, expand on it, infuse it with your knowledge, your experiences, your results and stuff like that to make it your own and to engage your students, right? You cannot do that with just AI content. So use it as a starting point, and as you can see, it's so easy to build it out, the framework, and have it all set up, your outline done for you, and then you can update it as needed. Let me give you a quick demo of a course experience. Say that you have built a course using DAP. So let me show you exactly what it's going to look like to your students. So here you can see this is my membership dashboard. This is where I send members when they log in. And here you can showcase all of your products, courses, everything. Now currently this member, this is just a test user, has signed up just for this one challenge. Now this one is a challenge, but I have used DAP's course builder to build it. So I want to just show you what it looks like. And let me go ahead and click on it. So what I have done is I have connected the access content button of this challenge to the first lesson, to day 1 of this challenge. And again, I have used the DAP's course builder to build it. And it's going to look the same, whether it's a challenge or an online course. Let me show you what happens next. When they click on access content, they land here. This is the first lesson of this course. Now this complete layout, you can fully customize it. You can manage it in the backend of DAP. From the colors to the layout, everything is fully customizable. And I'm using DAP's built-in course template. But DAP comes with several options. If you don't like DAP's built-in template, you can use WordPress for content. So you have options. But in my case, I always use DAP's built-in template because it's much easier to set it all up. And it looks amazing, as you can see. So you can see on the left side, I have my progress bar. image and course outline, but you have the option to hide and show whatever elements you want in the left sidebar. In the right side, you can see I have my content here. The right side, I have my content here. You can add whatever content you want, and DAP comes with its own elements. You can drag and drop it to build your content. That's what I have done here. I have used DAP's built-in template to build it. And here you can see I have also added WP comments, WordPress comments, and you can add that to your lesson pages. This way, your students, as they take the course, as they take the challenge, they can leave you a comment, they can leave you a feedback. It's pretty amazing. And, it gets people, your students, to engage with you, throughout the entire course. This one I have gamified it. When they complete the lesson, you can display different messages for each lesson. It's all customizable in the backend. So that's what I've done. And here you can see there is also an option to chat. And so if they want to quickly chat with you and send you a message, they can do that. They can just click on it and they can quickly send you a message, and you're going to receive a message in the DAP backend. You can instantly respond back to them, and you can also optionally send them an email with your response. So they don't have to log in back to this page to check your response. They will get an instant email with your response. And I have so many people that are currently taking my challenge, and I get messages from here all the time. So it's pretty amazing because I'm able to instantly respond back to them. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the next lesson. All right, you can see here, this is the day one. And this is how it looks. This is a video, and you can drag and drop video element, text element, whatever you want, images. And also it comes with this action builder where you can display a list of action items you want them to complete after each lesson, right? And they can chat with you. They can leave you a message. We also have a notes feature where you can add a notes icon here where they can click on it and take private notes about each lesson. All right, so when they complete each lesson, they can click on it to indicate they have completed it and mark as complete. This is, again, gamified message. This is how it works. So let's say you want to create a lead magnet, right? So you can go to free products page and say that you want to create a PDF report on a specific topic and you want to offer that as your lead magnet, right? So here are the steps to do it. So first of all, you need to create a product in DAP that holds that lead magnet, right? This way, if someone signs up, they're going to get access to that product in DAP. And once they log in, they will find that product and they can download the lead magnet. So go to the free products in DAP and click on create a new free product. And here you can see there are two options, create from scratch or use AI. Now we have added this new AI option in DAP, which makes it so easy for you to create your products using AI help. You can do this for your online courses. You can do it for your challenges. You can do it for your PDF report as well. So say that you want to create a PDF report and offer that as your lead magnet. You can use AI or you can just build it from scratch. So you can create your PDF outside of DAP and you can create a product in DAP and let the product know that this is the PDF they're going to get when they sign up. So you can just upload the PDF to the product, right? That's one way to do it if you want to build from scratch. But if you want DAP to create the PDF for you, you can do it using DAP and AI. All right, so let's go ahead and pick this option. But both of these options are super simple. Your lead magnet could be anything you want. It could be your video training. It could be your checklist. It could be your worksheet. It could be, first lesson from your online course. Whatever it is that you want to offer as part of your lead magnet, you can do that. It does not have to be a PDF. But in this case, today's example, I'm going to show you a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and use AI to create the PDF. And there are two options here. You can use the ChatGPT version, and you can also use the API version. If you have an OpenAI account, which is not free, but it's not pricey either, you can sign up for credits and you can let it know that, if it exceeds a certain amount of credits, you want to not use it anymore. So it will lock down at that point and it won't use any more credits for that month. So you can set limits. So you can use this option, and once you have reached your limit, you can switch back to, ChatGPT version, or you can just use this. You don't need to use the OpenAI version. Now, even the ChatGPT version is actually really easy. All you have to do is copy the prompt we give you into ChatGPT and bring back the content or the response that ChatGPT gives you, enter it in DAP, and DAP will automatically create the PDF for you. Let's go ahead and use this version. So here, what is the report title? So here, let's say the title is How to Sell High-End Coaching Packages, including examples. So here you can enter a detailed goal. So here I'm going to say the goal is to create a detailed PDF report over 2,000 words detailing how to sell high-end coaching packages, including examples. I just copied most of the stuff from here. You can make it free or paid. You can update the prompt. Next. Here you can upload images for the first and the last page of PDF. It's not required, but you can. All right, so I'm going to upload an image for the first page and the last page of PDF. Next. All right, PDF is ready. I didn't have to do anything. It's all generated by AI. See, it's all here. Pretty detailed, right? You can see it's all here. You can check out the content. If you want to update it, you can. And then when you're ready, click on I'm ready. All right, your PDF is ready. Your free product is ready as well. So DAP has already created a product. It holds that PDF report. It's all done for you. So I'm going to edit and show you my setting in a bit, but let's go ahead and download it and let's take a look at the PDF. All right, it's right here. You can see I uploaded an image and you can change the header, footer, all that in DAP configuration, DAP global configuration. And that's it. You can see the PDF is ready. Everything that AI has generated for us, it's all here. That's it. This is how easy it is to create it. Now DAP has already productized it. You don't have to do anything. So let's go ahead and check it out. You can edit the product and make updates to it. All right, you can upload an image for your product. Let's go ahead and do it. And billing and access, it's a free PDF, right? It's a freebie. And you can change it to a paid one if you want right here. This is a product builder, by the way. Whether you use AI or don't use AI, you'll always end up here. And this is how you can build out any kind of product you want. And super simple, actually. You can see, what is a product really? A product is made of content, right? One or more pieces of content. Content goes here. Let DAP know what content goes here. Also, when you have a product, you need to let DAP know, is it paid or free, right? So you need to do that here. That way DAP can prevent people from accessing it unless they have signed up the right way, right? That you do in billing and access. What else do you do with a product? When you have a product, you want to let people know, thank you for signing up. By the way, here's your login details, right? That you do in the email. So when someone signs up, whether it's a free product or paid product, you let them know through the email, thank you for signing up. And then the rules, right? You need to say, oh, by the way, this is the product. If someone signs up, this is where I want them to go. This is how I want them to access this content. And if someone tries to access my content, my premium content, without signing up, this is the error message I want them to see. All that stuff you want to do in the rules tab. And in the rules tab, you can also do chaining, where you can say, if someone signs up for this product, I want to give them access to X, Y, and Z product as well. You can do that using chaining. You can also set up your cancellation rule. And this one is really for your subscriptions, where you can say, if someone cancels their subscription, remove their access, right? All the rules that you want to set, you can do it in the rules tab. And what else is left? That's pretty much it, right? In the name and description, you upload an image for your product, give it a name and detailed description. Billing and access, you set your billing and access rules. Is it one time? Is it subscription? All that stuff you can do here. And even if you create a product as a free product, later on you change your mind, you want to make it paid, you just come back here and make it paid. And you can say one time or subscription. You can just switch it right here. And you can do free trial, paid trial, all that stuff you can do here. Access section, right? Content section. Now this is where DAP created this PDF for you. DAP has also protected this PDF for you. DAP has also uploaded this PDF to your site, to your server, right? Under WP content, uploads folder, it's right there. You can give it a friendly name here. Let's say I'm going to enter a name here, save it. That's it, all done. You can set the drip day as well. Now, if it's a PDF, you may want to give them instant access, but if there is any other type of content, right, then you can update the drip setting. You can say instant, you can say day-based, you can say date-based. You can do all kinds of things here with your content. That's it. Your content is all ready. Now, the email part is important, right? You want to personalize the message they're going to get when they sign up for your freebies. So you can say, thank you for signing up. And here's how you can log in and access, right? That's the whole point of a membership site. You want to make it easy for them to log in and find all the content, all the products in one place. Be sure to send out their login details, and it's already here. The default message, update it so it's personalized. Send yourself a test email to see how it looks and update the content as needed for each one of your products. And automation, right? When someone signs up for your product, you may want to add them to your email platform, add them to the right list with the right tag and all that. You can do that in DAP automation engine. Create your product first, set up the automations as far as connecting to other platforms in the DAP automation page. We'll do that later. All right, that's it. Your product is ready. If you go to the registration tab of this product, you can see what you need to do next. If it's a freebie, the things that you need to do is you want to create a sign-up form so people can sign up, right? How else will they sign up and get access? You need a sign-up form. That's what you do here. And you can say, I want to create a sign-up form. You can click on this and create your sign-up form. And DAP has a form builder that will allow you to create a sign-up form, a different one for each one of your products, where you can say, here's my product, give me a sign-up form. And here's where you need to send them when they sign up, send them to my thank you page. All those rules you can set here. We also have a plugin called Smart Quiz Builder, which is our quiz and survey plugin for WordPress, which is the most powerful quiz and survey platform for WordPress. Now, it allows you to create a quiz-based opt-in. It integrates with DAP, and I do that. I use this. I use SQB-based, opt-in on all my sites because it allows me to learn about my prospects and not just, get them to sign up and not know anything about, their specific problems, challenges, obstacles, pain points, stuff like that. So it helps me collect data about my prospects when they come to my site, and then I give them access to the right product in DAP because it integrates with DAP. So you can do that here. That's what I do, but you can do it either way. So let's say you want to use the form builder, right? So click on it and it will bring you here. Click on create a new form and give it any name you want. Let's give it the same name. Select the product in DAP. Let's say this is the product in DAP. Next. Where do you want to redirect them after they sign up? You can send them, wherever you want. Let's say you want to send them to a thank you page. You do need to create a thank you page on your site. That's not a DAP thing. You have to create a page in WordPress called whatever, right? Wherever you want to send them, create a page in WordPress and send them there. Automatic login. When they sign up, do you want them to be logged in and automatically send them to the dashboard, or you want them to wait for their email to log in? I would recommend, don't use automatic login for freebies. You don't want them to use fake email and log in and get access, right? Then there's no incentive for them to check their email. So don't do that, and just get them to check their email. Don't log them in for your freebies. And for paid products, if you use our shopping cart plugin, it will automatically log them in, and that's great, right? It's a great experience because they have already paid for your product. There's no need for them to wait for an email to log in and access the product they just paid for. In that case, just directly send them to the dashboard so they can get started with the product. All right, you can select one of these templates, and we're going to add more templates and make it even better, but you can fully customize this template. You can save it. It's going to give you a shortcode. Publish this on your opt-in page. So what's an opt-in page? Opt-in page is where you get people to, you send traffic, and that's a page where you have your freebie. And somewhere on the opt-in page, you're going to have a section where it says, sign up below, and you're going to have the sign up form there, right? That's the sign up form that you're going to get from DAP, all right? So you take the sign up form shortcode, publish it on your opt-in page. So how do you create the opt-in page? You create the opt-in page in WordPress. So create a page in WordPress, publish the sign up form that you get from DAP or from Smart Quiz Builder if you use SQB, like I do. Then you can publish SQB's quiz-based shortcode anywhere on your opt-in page. When they click on it, they can sign up. They can answer a few questions if it's SQB, and then sign up. And then it will automatically give them access to the product in DAP, and they will get the welcome email from DAP right away. And it will say, thank you for signing up. Here's your login details. Log in to access your product. When they log in, they will head to the dashboard where they can access the product they just purchased from you. You can create all your pages, your membership dashboard, your login page, your content page profile. All that stuff you can do here, but I'll show you that in a bit because we have a wizard that you can access from the dashboard menu. The wizard is right here, and it will help you build out your membership pages. So use it to build your member pages, your initial pages, like the login page, your membership dashboard page, profile page, and stuff like that. Build it using the wizard. That way, you have these pages done for you, and then you can go to the member pages in DAP right here, and you can edit and update it as needed. So that's an easy way to get started with member pages. All right, so we are back here. And so just like I showed you how to do freebies, right? You can do the same way. You can do paid products as well. You can click on create a new product, select product, and you can create a product from scratch and give it any name you want. Let's say, and it's going to take you to the product builder in DAP. And here, the same steps, right? Exactly what you do with your freebie, except this one is going to be a paid product. And so follow the step-by-step. And here you can say, this is one-time fee. I'm going to charge $50 for it. Then you can say, this is the content that belongs to it. It could be your WordPress pages. It could be WordPress posts. It could be PDF report. You can upload the PDF report or zip file, template, whatever, right? You can upload it here to your server. You can enter the URL of the page that is going to be part of this product if you want. Or you can also add your existing content using the select existing content option. And then the email, the same thing as we talked about, welcome email, let them know their login details. If you want to send follow-up emails from DAP, you can do that, or you can send it from your email platform. Rules tab is where you can set your product rules. You can say when someone logs in, here is where I want them to go. And when someone tries to access content to which they don't have access, this is the error page I want to show. So stuff like that you can do in the rules tab. Typically in a membership site, in the rules tab of the product, all you have to do is, where to redirect them, always redirect them to the membership dashboard. Membership dashboard is something DAP will create for you. Using the wizard, you can have DAP create the member dashboard. You can configure it. You can customize it based on what you want it to show. But it's so easy to get started with it. And also when you create a product in DAP, all of this is already set up for you. So you don't even have to change it, but be sure to test it to make sure it looks exactly how you want it to look. With your paid products, right, you need to create a payment button to sell it. With your free products, you need to create a sign-up form so they can register for it. So if you want to sell it, right, you need a shopping cart platform to be able to create your payment button and publish it on your sales page, right? Sales page is something you would create in WordPress directly. That's not part of DAP. But once you create the sales page where you have the pricing table, you need a payment button. And that's the stuff you can do using Smart Pay Cart, which is our shopping cart plugin made for DAP. I'm not going to give you, an overview of SPC because we have different documentation for that. But you can use SPC to easily create payment buttons, click a few things, just say, here's my product, here's the checkout, this is where the order form is, and just give me a payment button. And it's going to give you back a payment button, publish it on your sales page to allow people to purchase your product. When they buy it, they will be logged into their dashboard and you can instantly give them access to the product that they purchased from you, right? That's how this stuff works. And even if you want to do memberships, right, you can do it in a similar way. You can just click on create a new product, select membership, give it any name. Be sure to enter an image because that's going to show up in the membership dashboard. Billing and access. This one is subscription. Do you want to offer a trial? No. What's the price? Let's say it's $50 a month. Monthly, unlimited payments. So you can set up your rules here. Next step is content. Same thing, right? All the products have the same thing. So here you can set up all your content. And as I was saying, say that there is some base content that everybody gets, all memberships get, membership levels get, then create a base product, right? Using the create a product feature, build out a simple one-off product and add all the content that's part of that product to that base product and use the product chaining feature to automatically give access to all to the base product when they sign up for any of these memberships. So you can do that. And anything that only silver members are going to get, you can add it here under the silver product, all right? Anything gold members are going to get, add that under the gold membership when you create it. And so only they will get that. All right, email, same thing, right? Set up your welcome email with login details and the same stuff, right? This is how you build out different products in DAP. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Now, as you can see, DAP is the most powerful and comprehensive membership and LMS platform for WordPress. It's so easy to build out and launch all kinds of products and services, right? Not just memberships. Even though it's a membership plugin, you can use it just for your freebies. Get started with just freebies, just your lead magnets, productize it, and offer it from your membership site. Get people used to the whole membership experience, and then add other products, courses, challenges, trainings, and memberships, right? And you can do it all using DAP. You don't have to add 5, 10 different plugins to make it all work. You can do it all using DAP. And I showed you just one way of doing courses. You can also use just WordPress to create your course content. You don't even have to use DAP's builder. You can use WordPress to create your content. There's another option where you can say, I want to use DAP's layout when it comes to the courses, but as far as the editor, I don't want to use DAP's editor. I want to use my own page builder. And there are tons and tons of options in DAP. So give DAP a try if you don't already use it, and we are here to help. And if you have any questions, do let us know. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have several, videos there that you will find helpful on memberships, on courses, on quizzes, on marketing, on sales, all kinds of things. So you will find it helpful. Be sure to subscribe and also sign up for my newsletter. I send out an email once every week that I think you will find helpful. Go to membershipsitechallenge.com/newsletter to sign up. It's free. And you'll find a lot of my freebies on my Membership Site Challenge site as well. Go to membershipsitechallenge.com. You'll find all my freebies there. Go ahead and sign up. You'll find it useful. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. I hope to see you join the DAP family if you are not a member already. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this entire video. I will be back here soon with more. Bye for now.